welcome to the ASTRO. So in this Python tutorial, you are going to learn that how to open an image with a Python imaging library called Pillow or Pil. So we'll open the image and we'll also rotate the image by given any angle. So let's do it. Okay, so first we need to import library. So import library. So Pil import image and then give your image variable equal to and then type image dot open and give your file name and extension. So file name dot extension. So in my directory there is file called galaxy.webp and it will open. Okay, so type it and you can see that here your galaxy image and it has been read using Pil Python package. Okay, now you want to rotate the image, so just type here image dot rotate and give angle say 45. So your image is rotated. You can also make it to 90 degree. So this way you can rotate your image. You can also go to 120 degree. So this way you can rotate your image by any angle. So I hope you got the idea that how to do simple image reading with Pil library called Pillow or Python imaging library, and how to rotate the image with rotate attribute and pass the angle. So thank you.